Hey Andre, so I fixed your part. There wasn't a lot wrong with it, but I ended up having to just rebuild it pretty much, and I'll share it with you. But just let's go over kind of the issues. First, let's just remember that. So here was your sketch, and that this was done correctly. But then for some reason you'd done a thin revolve, so I had to delete it and just redid it as a regular revolve or a solid revolve. But to do that, you really there was a because I had to delete the other revolve and that pushed the other sketch in front of it. And anyway, so it was pretty much a mess. But the point is that was really a simple thing. It was not. It was just using. I'm not sure quite how you did it because you have the right sketch here, but somehow you just chose the wrong option for and got into a thin revolve, and that somehow did um, it the bowl itself is not lining up exactly with this sketch, so I'm not sure exactly why that was the case. And then the deal with this is really pretty simple, even though it's a little tricky. This line has to be perpendicular to this line, and it has to be coincident with this edge of the bowl, and have the 28 millimeter and 50 millimeter dimensions. So if you do that, and so I don't know if you remember with yours, you had this line slanting down at an angle, and then you had it. I don't know. You had a bunch of relations that were not in the actual drawing. So if you just go back and let's just even well, I'm going to share this part with you. Just make this line perpendicular to this line, and then even if it's kind of hard to make this coincident, but if you just get it right next to it, really close, it'll be good enough to get the right values. In order to fully define the sketch, I had to add in this other dimension here. In addition, that's the only thing that's in here that's not in the drawing or in that tutorial. And then you'll see that we have now our volume is, I think, right on to what it's supposed to be. Anyway, I hope this helped a little bit. So I will share the file with this video when I send you an email back. All right. Talk to you later.